4 things science says about alone time you might not know. It's been said before, we need alone time. We know it's good for us. We enjoy the pampering, the fun, and the way we feel rested and recharged afterward. But did you know there's some serious science to alone time and what we get out of it? Read on to find out some things about what science has proven about alone time. Some of these might even be pretty surprising. Alone time leads to empathy. The one thing everyone should get out of alone time is the ability to understand your own thoughts and feelings. This understanding translates to a difference in our interactions with the people around us. Think about it. When we understand why we act and feel as we do, we gain an understanding of why other people similarly react in ways that look like ours. Now we're seeing the world through their eyes. Alone time makes us stronger. Ask anyone who dreads time alone what they hate about it, and you'll find more often than not it's the idea of being alone with their thoughts, which freaks them out. In fact, a study was done where college students were given the choice of being alone with their thoughts for 15 minutes or being given an electric shock. 67% of men and 24% of women chose the shock over what was in their heads. So imagine how much stronger you are than the average person when you're accustomed to your own thoughts, not to mention comfortable with them. Alone time shows the world around us how to behave. Anytime we model behavior for others, especially children, we shouldn't be surprised when they follow suit. The critical thing to realize here is just how important it is for children to see us embracing time alone. When we show them we focus better, can clear our thoughts, and manage our emotions better through alone time, they learn these things too. Alone time shows us what to do next. Studies have shown that people who are successful embrace the idea of alone time. Entrepreneurs who use their alone time to think about their goals and plan how to better attain those goals will have a higher chance of achieving what they set out to do. This might seem pretty simple, but you can't argue with the results. So where does this leave you? Simple. Alone time is not only optimal, but it makes sense scientifically. If you want to get ahead, you start by pulling back to where you enjoy first the company of yourself and the joy of what you can accomplish on your own. Then get out there and take over the world.